And it is a blowout quarter here for Apple. Let me give you the numbers as we see the stock popping up a little bit. EPS was a beat at $2.84. Street wanted to see $2.67. Revenues up 16%. Top line revenue, $143.76 billion. Street wanted to see $138.48 billion. iPhone revenues, as you just were talking about, up 23% to $85.27 billion. Street was expecting just $78.65 billion. Services revenue pretty much in line here, $30.01 billion compared to the $30.07 billion expected. That is up 14%. And by the way, I caught up with Apple CEO Tim Cook on these results because China was just such a blowout quarter, up 38%, $25.53 billion. Here's what Cook told me about that surge in China sales. He said, quote, "I think it's a result of the product resonating with the Chinese in a huge way. We just saw a lift that was much greater than we thought we would see, and so we were surprised, but it's very product driven. They love the iPhone." That backs up a lot of what we've been seeing in the fall, just all this momentum out there. Part of it due to government subsidies out there in China, also people just gravitating towards those new designs and new models of the iPhone 17. I also talked to Cook about Gemini and that new partnership for artificial intelligence for the Apple Intelligence system that they're expecting to launch soon, and about the privacy angle here, because using Google's technology as opposed to their own and how that all plays in. Here's what Cook told me about that. He said, "We're not changing our privacy rules. We still have the same architecture that we announced before, which is on-device plus private cloud compute. So if you type something or you use your voice to ask something, that can't be done on the device. It goes to the cloud. And there's lots of both of those kinds of queries." So basically saying it's going to maintain that same privacy promise despite this partnership with Google's Gemini system. We should see that hit pretty soon here. And then finally, we're expecting on the call at 5, Cook saying they're going to address those memory prices that have been talked about on the street so much, as surge in memory prices due to AI demand and how that's impacting margins and prices here at Apple. That's going to happen at the call along with guidance at 5 p.m., guys.